brakes, homie. No brakes. We're going down. No brakes.
What you got for me?
It's warming up the car to a certain point, so you always got to turn the ignition. There's these little coils in the engine block that warms it up, and it tells you when it's ready to go. But it hasn't been turned on for like 4 or 5 months. One of the only ones left with the dealership sunroof. So this car only gets pushed in and out if it's in the garage or if it's in the center of his living room. All he does is pushes it out. Whenever it's out here, we get to turn it on, run it for 15-20 minutes, and then put it back on the charger. Just pushed this baby out. We're letting it warmed up. This is one of our pride and joys that we've been taking care of over 10 years now. Love this baby, and you can hear it yourself. It's roaring right now. Foam it, rims, tires, polish wheels, polish all the chrome. Guys, beautiful bad boy today. Washed it, waxed it, love the red. It just pops. Now finish it up, polish it up this wheel. This wheel is a spare tire that goes in the front. We love this car. Customer's always been great for us. It's been close to 9 years, 8-9 years, I think. I can't really quite remember. We're blessed to be here. We're happy, we're excited. We push this car in, doesn't get driven, in and out of the house. If we're detailing it, we're pushing out of his lane room, it only gets pushed around, doesn't get driven. Polished up the wheels, polished up every single chrome on this bad boy. We love it, take a look at it. Just do me a big favor. If you like this video, if you like all the cars that we're showing, please share, like, subscribe, show it to everybody and your mama.
What you got?